Hey everybody, just wanted to welcome you to your first day of school. Just a quick video today to kind of walk you through the Canvas procedure and where you're going to be able to find everything. Of course, feel free again at the end of this, if you're still confused about anything, to contact me as soon as you can, and I'll be happy to meet with you live or answer any questions that you may have. So I want to go over and present my screen to you so you guys can see what actually Canvas looks like. And that just a second. So when you go into your classes, you're going to have several classes here. And of course, I've got a teacher view, so you're going to have a student view. It's going to look a little bit different, but you're going to see Pre-Algebra 8 Newick, and that is my class for you all. So you would click on that. And you're going to see some buttons on here. So your buttons literally walk you through exactly where you need to go each day. You have your daily schedule. So if you click on that, it's actually going to bring up what your schedule looks like for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So of course, Mondays and Thursdays, you guys 1 through 4 are live and 5 through 7 are not live teaching. So you would have recorded sessions. And on Tuesday, Friday, 1 through 4 is recorded, and then 5 through 7 are live sessions. I do have office hours each day from 2 to 2:30. Wednesday's a little bit different. Normally, my plan is not to have any lesson on that day, but just to have office hours from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock to answer any questions that you may have. There may be a couple of days in there that I'm reviewing for something, so there will be something for you guys to do, but I really tried to save Wednesday just for questions. So with a time schedule, sometimes it doesn't work as nicely as we would like, but just know that I did try to do that. The next button that you're going to have is your daily instruction. Now, again, this is my teacher view, and you're not going to see all of this at once. What you will see is that it's done by week, and I will make live for you for each day. So you're not feeling overwhelmed by seeing an entire week's worth of work. So you will see, for example, today you have a welcome video, which was also posted on my homepage. Canvas and Google video, that's kind of letting you know that there's some things that you may have to do in order to get Canvas and Google to talk to each other. We will be using Delta Math as one of our resources for doing math. So you're going to have to do a login situation. I've created a video for that. And then, of course, the video that you are watching now. So not assigning any work, just kind of getting used to everything. And it will be made live for you so that you guys will be easily walking through what it is that you need to do. Live session. So when you have a live session with me, it is through Google Meet. And there is a join code. So you want to make sure you write this join code down. It's going to be the same every single time. So you won't have to think about it. You're just going to type in Newick Math, all lowercase, and that's going to bring you into the live session. So we have that link provided for you as well. The parent portal obviously is for your parents, so that's so they can get in and see what they need to see. Your syllabus is here, and we'll go over a little bit of that today. Basically, guys, this is a pre-algebra class. It is to prepare you for Algebra 1 as a 9th grader. So a lot of the things that we're going to do are going to be review, yes, from 6th and 7th grade, but also going to be new stuff that's going to help you transition into algebra your 9th grade year. The materials are all listed here. Binder, dividers, loose leaf paper, graph paper. Graph paper we won't need for a while, so you have time for that. Pencils, pens, highlighters, and Desmos. Now you can choose Desmos as an app if you want to put it on your phone, or you can choose to go through the school website, and there is a link to the Desmos calculator there. But it is the best resource for your calculator needs. Grading policy, you're going to have tests, which account for 40% of your grade, about 3 per quarter. You're going to have quizzes, which count for 30%, about 4 per quarter. And you're going to have assignments. That's practice. We say homework, classwork, kind of a combination of both. And I will be able to help you as much as I can through that as well. And there's about 25 of those per quarter. As far as your course expectations, just normal stuff. This isn't anything you guys haven't heard before. So respect yourself and others. So even though we are virtual, when you're on camera, making sure that you're being respectful and focusing. Put forth your best effort at all times. Be on time and prepared for class each day. Pay attention, participate, and ask questions. Participating means taking notes, definitely. Use polite and appropriate language, minimize distractions during class time, and attend office hours as needed for extra help. If you are going to be absent, if there's a way that somebody can email me and say, hey, they're not going to be there, they have a doctor's appointment, they have a dentist appointment, they have a migraine, whatever it may be, that just lets me know that you have a legitimate reason for not showing up to your live sessions or your virtual sessions. All right. And that way your work is always going to be there. So you have an opportunity to make that up. And again, if you are behind on something, please come to office hours and get a little bit of extra help. The next button that we have is our contact me. And this takes you directly to my email so that way, if you have a question, you can email me very quickly and that will be answered within 24 hours. I'm going to go back to daily instruction for just a second because I want you guys to see something. On a normal day, like Thursday, you're going to see there's going to be video notes. I've actually gone through and I've recorded a video showing you the notes. I have put on here for you, if you have a printer at home, a blank copy of the exact notes I'm going over in the video. So if you are a person who likes to learn by doing, by writing, that helps it stick in your head, then by all means, if you have a printer, print off that copy and work through those notes with me. I have also have a completed copy of notes. That's super helpful if you're absent and you need a backup copy of notes to kind of see what we went over for that day. Graded practice is usually some kind of online practice, and it does have a point value with it. Now, there's no point value, obviously, for the notes or for the video, but this does count as a grade. So you want to make sure you go through this and do the best that you can. So you should see this on a normal teaching day. Now, if it's a review day, then you probably won't have notes. It'll just be going through some sample things and providing you some extra practice, getting you ready for a test or a quiz. But you will have some type of graded practice. If it's a test or a quiz day, then obviously this does not happen. None of the video notes or the regular notes. It will just be the quiz for that day. So that is basically everything that you guys are going to see on my webpage, and you're just going to use the buttons to help you out. Everything is there. And again, if you have any issues, please feel free to reach out to me. There's the contact me button. You can shoot me a quick email, and I will be glad to get back to you as soon as possible. Or you can meet me in my office hours. Again, those office hours are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 2 to 2:30, and then every Wednesday from 1 to 2. So you are able to contact me or meet me live on those sessions. All right, so when you guys see this from a student view, there's a lot of links that are over here on the left-hand side. You won't see all of those. From the student view, you're just going to see the ones that you need. A lot of these have absolutely nothing to do with anything that you need for my class. They're more for me than they are for you. So it will be a little bit less over here, but we do have links to IXL, Delta Math, Brain Pop, Ed Puzzle. You'll see your syllabus, modules, and grades and announcements as they come available. All right, so let me go ahead and go back to my regular screen. I hope that's helpful. And I know you're probably going to see a lot of that from your teachers today because we all have basically the same setup on our webpage. But again, please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to get back with you or join in a live session and get your questions answered there. I hope you guys had a great summer. I'm looking forward to a successful school year. You guys take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.